The National Association of Software and Services Companies or NASSCOM has said the information technology and business process outsourcing sector would meet the lower end of its growth expectation for this financial year owing to the currency volatility, low growth for global in-house centers and differentiated growth for various players. NASSCOM had given a growth guidance of 11 to 14% at the beginning of this year. It has now said the industry would record growth of 11% and revenue of 75 to 77 billion US dollars. The estimates are based on analysis of Indian listed companies, multinationals, global in-house centers and various industry sectors such as IT services, BPOs, engineering, research and development and products.
The 32nd edition of the annual India International Trade Fair kicked off in New Delhi with Skilling India as its theme. Around 6,000 exhibitors, which include 250 overseas exhibitors from 21 countries, converged at Pragati Maidan in the heart of India's capital city.
Over 6,000 exhibitors, both domestic and foreign, showcased a wide variety of products at Pragati Maidan in New Delhi. The India International Trade Fair has provided a platform to showcase the economy and social development over the last 3 decades. It has been gaining in popularity and has moved from strength to strength.
We create this platform and invite small industries to participate and display their innovations and products which they can offer to the world market and get exposure as to what kind of practices are being followed world over. They can adopt new technologies. We have business delegations coming over here, and so they come and adopt new technologies. They come and sell their products. They adopt exchange of technologies takes place.
Agricultural and textile products, jewelry, clothes and packaged food found many takers among visitors, giving the exhibitors a reason to rejoice as their products flew quickly off the shelves. The visitors flocked in large numbers to the pavilions and stalls of the SAARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation member countries, to buy dry fruits, spices and handicrafts.
I think it's a unique experience to see so many things under one roof. I mean, so many countries, so many multiple product categories. It's very good. I mean, you get to know about their culture. I mean, their specialty, their handicrafts, traditional works and all. Yes, altogether it's been a good experience.
26 enterprises coming from all over the country, from different states. We have participation from women entrepreneurs, SC/ST units, and people displaying technologies. There are small projects on display which any young people, entrepreneur, they can adopt and set up their own enterprise. The focus is on making people to set up their own enterprise rather than seeking jobs.
The exhibitors were very happy with the response they got from the customers and looked forward to increased business and stronger trade relations. A total of 176 business houses and traders dealing in apparels, clothes, home products and artifacts had participated in the IITF.
लोग मुजफ्फरनगर में इंडस्ट्रियल ओवन्स बनाते हैं बेकरी के लिए, ड्राई फ्रूट रोस्टिंग के लिए, सुपारी रोस्टिंग के लिए। लगभग पिछले 15 सालों से हम लोग यहाँ आ रहे हैं इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे जो NSIC ऑर्गेनाइज करता है हॉल नंबर 14 में टेक मार्ट के नाम से। यहाँ पे देश के विदेश के अलग अलग पार्ट से अलग अलग लोग आते हैं, बहुत सारे अलग अलग बिजनेस स्टार्ट करने के लिए एज ए न्यू एंटरप्रेन्योर, जिन्हें नया उद्योग लगाना है, नया कोई बिजनेस शुरू करना है। हम उन लोगों को यहाँ पे गाइडलाइन देते हैं कि आप बेकरी का उद्योग लगाइए, बिस्किट की फैक्ट्री लगाइए, रस की फैक्ट्री लगाइए या ब्रेड बनाइए।
So this year is, as you know better, you see our all commodity from Afghanistan, dry food, fresh food, animal byproduct, medical herbs, carpet, handicraft, saffron. We have a pavilion and we have a booth for all of them. You see too many racks for our dry fruit. We sold around 80% of our dry fruit since now during this 5 weeks, during the past 5 days. and there is a good opportunity for our businessmen to sign contract with Indian traders and businessmen.
This year, Belarus was given the partner country status and South Africa the focus country rank at the fair. The India International Trade Fair is one of the biggest trade exhibitions in the South Asian region. It provides a perfect platform for India to further trade relations with different countries and showcase its diverse range of industrial products.